Hello, my name is Chris and I'm a U-Haul hitch professional. Today I will cover the various tools and techniques that we use to trim a bumper fascia or underbody panel. Let's take a closer look. You will need the following tools. One technique is to place the fascia into its position on the vehicle and use the receiver to mark out the width of your cut. Always ensure there are no components or wiring behind your trim area. When using an air saw, take a rounded turn in your first corner and return later to trim it out. When using a file to straighten your cuts or remove frayed plastic, it is always best to push the frayed plastic inward, then run it along the inside edge. You will need the following tools. For smaller cuts like those on underbody panels, use your shears. Shears can also be used to make smaller trims to the fascia. A die grinder bit and a power drill, if you have one, is a quick and easy way to clean up the frayed plastic on your fascia. You will need the following tools. Measure and mark out your cut dimensions on a piece of cardboard. Indicate the vehicle center line on the template. Find the center line on the vehicle fascia. Measure to determine depth of the template. Place the template into position and trace it onto the fascia with a wax crayon. Use your drill bit to make an access hole in the corner of the area to be trimmed. That covers the various tools and techniques for trimming bumper fascia and underbody panels. Thank you for watching, and remember, you can always schedule an installation by visiting your local U-Haul Hitch Center or online at uhaulhitches.com.